I decided that I would, since I had used my dust mitt quite a bit and would want to wash it in the washing machine first. First, I was going to rinse it in the sink and see how much would come out. But so then I thought, well, it's dirty. I mean, but it's not like filthy, filthy. But that I would come out and try it with the screens because I've never washed my screens. Ah, no, I just didn't know it was a thing. So, like, I don't know. But look at those. So I thought this would be really a great way to show you how this bad boy works. Although with as much dust as I have on here, maybe. They might be too dusty to ever get like fully clean because it's gross, but hey. Wow. What a difference that bad boy makes. To another. Wow. Look at that. Now let's do two. Holy moly. Holy guacamole. Hey. Can this mitt take one more screen? I bet it can. Here we go. Wait. All right. I probably should turn it around. I'll use the, so I can use the palm of my hand here. Hold on. Maybe I'll use my left hand. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Somebody's going to get seasick. All right. All right. One more. A little bit less use on this side, but here we go. I can't reach it quite so high. This screen has been, we've lived here 20 years. So it's definitely not probably ever going to fully come clean. But look at it. And as you're seeing, this is not like just spreading the dirt around. It is actually picking it up off of here. There's a little bit that fell to the ground, but compared to how much I am pulling off of here, like, wow. So. Wow. I am just floored at those. Look at that. Jeez. I should have taken a picture. I didn't take a picture. But wow. Now I'll definitely have to wash this. Holy guacamole. Now you can see the difference between what I did here and the clean and the dirty. Cleaner and dirty. Clean, dirty. Wow. That makes a difference. Who knew? Who knew? Not me. Now I know. But that's a lot more screens to do. It goes all the way around. It's like a 10 by 20. Like my lights. They're pretty pink. I love lights. So, anyhow, I guess now I know. And we'll probably add that to my list of things I haven't done. But really, I try not to shit on myself. So, could be doing, but won't be doing very often. But once in a while, maybe. Wiping some of that siding since I'm out here. Oh, hey, while I'm out here, see my husband did WD-40'd the door after 3 years. Me asking him to make it so it opens better. So that's got WD-40. Get that off of there. I did think that was only 2 days there, so not too bad for me. But he would have let it stay there forever. And I'll need to do that. I did that a little while ago, but all right. So thought I'd share.